Hello, hello, hello. Ooh, good evening. Hello. And as usual, I've just found my software's not working. Hello. Well, I'm just going to show you on the screen. I'll get there. It will all come together. It'll be all right on the night. If anybody, I do this on a voluntary basis for AIMSEG, Aiming High, an organisation that provides professional development for teachers in Africa. If you would like to help, it can be done by remote, providing the controls, the technology to help me out with this. Oh, please do, because I'm having a fun time with this. Welcome to tonight's edition of the let me just get a little bit more light on the matter. Oh, that's better. Oh, look at that. I think that's better. I'm also looking for advice on technology in terms of lighting and all kinds of things. I'm having fun. Anyway, the point of this is to do some maths. So tomorrow morning, 9 o'clock, we'll be doing the resource on the activity on permutations. So as usual, between at 9 o'clock is the session for 7 to 18-year-olds. And at 10 o'clock will be the early years session. Now what you will need, and I can't use my visualizer, so you'll need either, if you've got any counters of different colors or just things of different colors that are all the same shape, great. And if you don't, you might have some tiddlywinks. In England we call them tiddlywinks. I don't know what everybody else calls them, but in England they're called tiddlywinks or counters. I have these little discs. And if you don't, you've got a very elaborate system here that requires high sophistication. A pair of scissors. What I would do with this is I'd actually fold this over a few times. I'll get my piece of scrap paper, fold it over, probably fold this one in thirds. I've got nice straight lines here. Maybe I'll go for bigger ones, that's fine. Go for bigger pieces, so fold it over. And then what we're going to do is chop down the edges there, plop, plop, plop. Just do the first bit, cut down this edge here. Really need demonstration on this. And got those two all loose, these two, get these two loose. And then what we're going to do is choppity chop right on top of my computer, plomp, and plomp, and plomp. Although, I've just realized something. Once you've got the lines, color them in different colors with your pencils or pens or things that colors, paint. And then you will have discs of different colors, little, not discs, they're not discs, little squares of different colors with which you can do the activity. And the activity is, so don't have to have the discs. The activity is working out how many different ways. We're going to start off with 2 colors and then go to 3, and then we'll think about 4. So we need, just if you have 4 different colors, and you can also just, if you have a piece of paper and 4 different coloring pens, we can also do it on a piece of paper, which is probably how I will do it in the morning, just do it on a piece of paper. And the maths again go from, we're going to do the early years at 10 o'clock. This goes all the way to 18-year-olds. And it is also, of course, something that's done at a different level all the way through one's mathematical career, if one does university level of the right sort, maybe not with some mathematics. If you do statistics, you might not be doing permutations, but then again, you might, I don't know. I've not done statistics, so I don't know, but it's all about permutations. And that's what we're going to be doing. So if you, I'll be sharing the YouTube link, because there is a video already up there now for you to have a look at in advance of us doing this. And I'll be sharing that in the comments below in a minute. And then also if you are on YouTube, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. There's the Maths Toys YouTube channel, which that link takes you to, and there's also the Bubbly Maths YouTube channel, which is where all these lives are being uploaded to. And please do share these lives and let other people know about the group. If this group is helping you with maths at home or maths at school or maths in any way, shape or form, please do tell other people about it. That would be super helpful. And just to remind you that this group, the activities that we use are rich mathematical activities. They are what they call low threshold, high ceiling activities, which means that learners can come in at whatever level they're at, and they can do the activity and be stretched a little bit by doing the activity. And then they can come back to it and be stretched to the next level. And then they can come back again and be stretched to the next level. So it's a beautiful way of, and all the aiming high activities are that kind of activity. And what we're doing it's a very symbiotic relationship. We're helping the teachers that attend the AIMSEC courses. Now, these teachers teach very, very dedicated people. They teach in disadvantaged communities and rural communities in Africa. And these courses have been designed specifically, originally, to help them. And the courses are high quality courses, and any teacher would benefit from doing them. The resources that go with them are designed especially so that they can be implemented in rural areas where there really isn't access to any kind of sophisticated equipment, where you don't have to buy anything apart from have a pair of scissors, a ruler, a pencil, some paper, some string, just the basic classroom equipment. And they're also, as much as possible, made so that some of these teachers have 90 people in their class that are under-equipped. So it's all about using manipulatives, and so things that they can get their hands on and use, like the bits of paper, if they can't get a hold of discs. So this is all about providing equipment that can be helpful to them, which means that you can do it at home, because in some way, shape or form, you will be able to find a way of doing it with whatever you've got at home. We will be actually preparing a checklist of the equipment that will be helpful for you to have at home to do all these activities, and that will be updated as I think of more things. So that will be going in the group. I'll probably be making a little video about it as well and stuff like that. Okay. Not a lot else to say, except do go to the AIMSEC Facebook page, get it right. What platform am I on? I'm on Facebook page, and like that page and follow it, because the activities on there are just little memes, little moments of thinking, switching on the brain, opening your brain so that you're ready. So it really helps if you get a dry moment, or you're just a bit tired, you want a bit of stimulation, or great starter if you want to start before you're going to do something more serious with maths or with any subject. Just go in and just have a thinking moment. It's a brain gym. Some brain gym moment, which is also maths, and it's the idea behind all the activities is that they are enjoyable and edifying. So please do hop over there and join in with that. Thank you very much. I'm now going to just double check if I can see it, if anybody has made any comments. Oh, the lovely Tanya's liked it. And I can't actually see who's watching. Very much. Oops, don't need that. I can't see who's watching because no one's actually commented. So this technology is by no means ideal. It's great that we can share and you can see it, but I can't see who's watching apart from the lovely Tanya has liked it. So I'm glad you liked it. I'm now going to say good night and I'll see you in the morning. Thank you very much for joining.